guys, today my mom cut this
Pictures
pictures of
showing
showing movement. This is
actors, yeah.
Let's make some glue. It's black at first. It's black, right?
Yeah. Yung actors, sila yung nagtitiyakat, di ba?
Look like dancing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna glue my myself. It's only a bit. Only one.
A little bit. You paste it like that.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's me both. Don't hold it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put
This one is
this is gardening.
gardening.
It's upside down, right?
Hindi siya nag-garden. This is painter.
Painter.
Yeah.
And you think
Kailangan mag-ayos ka ng pwesto kasi
it spread the breath. The glue spread the breath, right? Not the glue, right?
that is a painter. It shows action also.
Yes.
Dito muna sa baba.
Kasi ang ingay.
Dito muna kasi ang dami mong ipipaste. Baka hindi kasha.
Okay.
You have 5 pictures, right?
I don't need this.
And that is an astronaut flying to the moon.
Where is the gardener and the basketball player?
Maybe ito.
Let's put it. Wow, it's the glue stick. Still
Basketball player also shows movement.
Hey, wait a minute. This is same stripe as this is, right?
Yeah.
Maybe the selector need this.
Yeah.
The computer need this.
Yeah.
Maybe.
How about that one?
Gardener.
It shows movement then?
No. Just pranking.
You always making me prank.
Okay, you thought it's real always?
Yeah. You know, I want you to have fun. To have fun in learning.
Okay, I'm having fun now.
Para hindi tayo lagi war.
Wait. I'm gonna put this closer. Is that okay now?
Yeah. Show that.
This is better from here, right?
Yeah. Show that on camera.
Here it is.
It's done. Now, alam mo na yung ano?
Wait a minute. Can you wear this for a minute?
No. Alam mo na yung mga movement ngayon.
Yes, yes.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.